I think I am actually the reason why people don't trust my videos. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a few tips and tricks on how to do winged eyeliner. As you know, I don't waste your time, so let's just get into this video. So guys, the first trick that we are going to be doing is follow your eyebrow. What you're going to do is just take the end of your eye to the tip of your eyebrow and just pick that brush up. As you can see, from that top part, you're going to just drag it back down to the center of your eye. And thereafter, you're just going to fill it in, and it is as simple as that. Our very next method is the tape method. This is the holy grail method that everybody knows. What you're going to do is just take tape and put it at the bottom of your eye. You can judge how high and how sharp you want it. What you're going to do is just take the piece of tape from the end corner of your eye to the top of your eyebrow and just start painting away. If you're still not comfortable with this method, the next method, I got you, girl. So this is the double tape method. What you're going to do is take two pieces of tape, one from the end of your eye and one over that part. So create a wing using the double tape and then fill in that little part. I'm not sure if I'm explaining right, but if you watch, you can see exactly what I'm doing, and maybe you can grasp something from that rather than hearing me blab. And once you're done, you just peel off the tape and yeah, you're done. Just go in and fill in the rest, and then your eyeliner is perfect. This is the card method. The card method is super simple and super easy. What you're going to do is exactly the same thing. Take the card and put it at the end of your eye, and thereafter just create a form of a wing. Next is use the sharp edge of something. You can use anything. I chose to use my Estee Lauder makeup remover or makeup eraser. I'm not sure, but I will link everything down in the description box. And you're just going to take some gel eyeliner at the back of your hand, and thereafter work it at the tip of whatever you're using and just create a winged eyeliner. Once again, start at the end of your eye to the top of your eyebrow, and thereafter work your way to the center of your eye. And it's as simple as that. The filling in part is actually really easy, so I'm going to try and skip that out in many of the next parts. So the video is really short, but you get a lot out of this. Next, we're going in with the concealer method. Let's just say while you're doing your eyeliner, something happens, there's an earthquake or a hurricane, and you tend to get some squiggly lines along the way. What you're going to do, so just wait for it to dry. The key thing is wait for it to dry, and thereafter go in with the concealer. Make sure your brush has got enough product on it, and thereafter swipe it like how you swipe your problems away. And our last and final method is the micellar water method. This, what you're going to do is just think again that there's an earthquake, I think. And thereafter, just go in with a Q-tip, put in some micellar water, and thereafter knead the nail. And that's the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will be back with another amazing video.